Hello everyone. Let's talk today on the next economic operator, the distributor. A distributor is a person in the supply chain who makes the medical device available on the market up to the point of putting it into service. Like all other economic operators, as per the MDR, the distributor also has certain responsibilities to fulfill. Some of them are before he makes the device available on the market and some after. Let's look at the ones which he has to fulfill before making the device available on the market. When the distributor is in possession of the medical device, he has to check that the device that he has a CE mark and if the EU declaration of conformity for that device has been drawn. He must also check that the device is accompanied by the label and the instructions for use from the manufacturer. If the device is an imported device, he must check that the importer has complied to his responsibilities. That is, if the device is accompanied with a label or with a document which has the information on the name, the registered place of business, the address, and the registered trademark of the importer on the label or on the document accompanying the device. He must also check that this label which has been put by the importer does not obscure the actual label put on the device by the manufacturer. The distributor also must check for whichever medical device it is applicable if the UDI has been assigned to the device. For Class 3 medical devices, the distributor shall electronically record all the UDI information. The distributor shall use a sampling method to ensure that the above-mentioned criteria are fulfilled. When the distributor finds that the above-mentioned criteria are not met as per the regulation, the distributor shall not make the device available on the market and shall immediately inform the manufacturer, the authorized representative, and the importer. When the distributor feels that the device which is in his possession is falsified, he should immediately inform the competent authority of the member state where he is located. The distributor should also have the possibility to meet the conditions set by the manufacturer on the storage and the transport conditions of the medical device. Let's look at some of the obligations which a distributor has to follow after making the device available on the market. If the distributor becomes aware that the device which he has made available to the market does not comply to the regulation, he must immediately inform the manufacturer, the authorized representative, and the importer. He must cooperate with these entities in order to take corrective actions to bring the device to conformity or to withdraw or to recall the device from the market. If a distributor feels that the device that he has made available on the market presents a serious risk to the end users, he should immediately inform the competent authority of the member state by providing all the details of the device, the details on the non-conformance, and the corrective actions that has been taken so far. When the distributor receives complaints about a device which he has made available from the health service providers or directly from the patients, he must immediately forward this information to the manufacturer, the authorized representative, and the importer. To facilitate this, the distributor should maintain a register of complaints, non-conformances, the withdrawal, and the recall information, and should forward the information to the respective entities when requested for. If a competent authority requests for an information on the device to the distributor shall make all the information and the documentation available to the competent authority. In case he does not have the documentation, his obligation is considered to be fulfilled if the manufacturer or the authorized representative makes this information available to the competent authority. The distributor should also cooperate with the competent authority for an ongoing corrective action in order to bring the device to conformity. The distributor should also provide samples of the medical device when requested by the competent authority, or give them the necessary access if it is not possible to physically deliver the samples. In certain circumstances, the distributor might also have to fulfill the obligations of the manufacturer. This happens when the distributor makes the device available on the market under its own trade name or registered trademark. It could also happen when the distributor changes the intended purpose of the device, or when a device that has already been placed on the market is modified by the distributor. In such cases, the obligations of the manufacturer as defined in Article 16 must be followed by the distributor. Thank you for watching this series. If you have any questions or comments regarding the economic operators, please do contact us.